How to turn off safe mode on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, restart your phone. Press and hold the power button. Tap restart or reboot. If you don't see this option, tap power off and turn it back on manually. Second step is you can use the notification panel. On some Android devices, a notification appears on the status bar saying safe mode is on. So you need to pull down the notification panel, tap the notification to disable safe mode. Your phone will restart in normal mode. Also, if this step didn't work, you can use physical buttons if restart doesn't work. Power off the phone completely. Turn it back on by pressing and holding the power button. When the manufacturer logo appears, release the power button and immediately press the volume down button until the phone boots up. This often forces the phone to exit or exit safe mode. Now you can restart or reset your phone. So go to settings, tap system and tap reset option. Erase all data and you can back up your data before proceeding. Now let me know if you are facing any specific issues. So by following this way, you will successfully turn off safe mode on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.